Iyabo Ojo, princess comedian, I am challenging you to be sure for immediately. If you know what you're saying about Baba Ijesha's case is the truth, to be sure for you, pressure, use the same energy to ask that the police or the Lagos state government should charge Damilola Adekola and the security of the house to court. After all, sperm was found on that girl few days Baba Ijesha was arrested during police investigation. And the girl accused no other person, bombu, that the only people that were having sex with her is Damilola Adekola and the security of the house, Okele. These two people, princess knew they were having sex or they were sexually abusing the girl a year before. Go to set Baba Ijesha up. Make it make sense to me. In the same investigation, same victim, same case. Now, you all covered it. Tell me part of the law that says that kind of a person can walk free, is walking free. If truly the girl is 14, that means you chose to be silent and cover that a sexual predator can walk free. You're only interested in Baba Ijesha. Who's